Hello children, many of you may be getting scolding from your parents watching continuously TV, mobile, etc. Instead of that, you can use your leisure time properly by making some useful craft ideas. Today let us see one like that. Simply you need some waste wool and waste piece of cloth and some beads also. Using that easily we can make this wall hanging. Now let us start that. Take a small piece of cloth, it may be cotton cloth or satin cloth, whatever cloth you have at home. You can fold the cloth to make a triangle and you can pin to secure that. Then later you can draw a head portion with the help of any wax crayons. Okay, and then you can start to stitch the head portion. Then later you can stitch continuously as shown in the video. You can use any type of stitch you know children. It is simple stitch only. So what you are know, just torn cloths, how do you join? The same way the stitch has been made. Simply you watch, it is easy to do, you can do that. Now the beak to be made with the help of a small piece of cloth. As told, you can make the folding and later you can insert the portion where we have drawn the head. Then later you can secure with the help of a stitch. Then continuously the stitch can be made. Now slowly take inside out children the portion what you have stitched, the head portion, it has to come out through the tail portion. In the tail portion you kept small opening, through that slowly it can be taken out. So now the bird is completed, only the tail portion to be joined. Now any waste cloth also you can take, cut into small pieces that you can insert, or waste cotton if you have, that also you can insert inside. So just you slowly with the portion of tail opening is there, so inside that you can slowly insert the cotton and you can stuff it. Now using the black bead, you can make the eyes of the birds on both the sides. Now close the tail portion also by making stitches. Now using some zari lace, we can decorate the bird. Now you secure the zari lace with help of thread. Now the birds are ready, children. By using the birds, you can make the wall hanging of your choice. So even boys also can try. Boys also can show your creativity, children. Later, all the birds, it can be joined with help of beads, and here you can use straw or used earbuds. You can cut on both the sides. You can use or whatever available tube-like structure you can insert. If tube-like structure is not available, continuously bead also can be used. So hope you must have enjoyed the video, children. You prepare your own wall hanging and hang at home. You make your parents happy and spend your leisure time in useful way. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next class.